In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an SSL certificate on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial is we would like to add an SSL certificate to GoDaddy. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go to our products page by clicking at your name at the top right corner, then click at my products, which will take you into this page, which is going to be your products page, of course. Of course, from here, if you want to add an SSL certificate, simply you'll have to go to your domain section and simply click on manage on the domain name that you would like to add an SSL certificate on. Let's just wait for this page until it loads. Once it's loaded, you will have to scroll down a bit until you find this add an SSL certificate to show visitors you are trustworthy. Make sure to click at this Get SSL, and of course from here they will give you a lot of plans to choose from. Choose whatever suits you, and of course once you click at learn more, it will actually be added into your cart and you can just go and buy it out and you will be actually good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.